Hello everyone, I am Rohini Thomre. I welcome all of you in the second lecture of HTML tutorial started with HTML code. In this video, you will be going to learn HTML structure, then steps to write HTML program and first HTML program demonstration. Let us discuss the HTML structure. An HTML document consists of two main parts. The first part known as head section. The head section include head elements which contains title and metadata of web document. The second section is body section. The body section consists of different elements which contains the information that you want to display on a web page. To make a web page compatible with HTML, you need to add a document type declaration. For that, we are going to use doctype tag. Now let us discuss the HTML structure in detail. The first tag you are going to use is doctype. The doctype declaration represents the document type, and it also helps to display the web page correctly. It must only appear once at the top of page before any HTML tag. The doctype declaration is not case sensitive. It defines the HTML version used in the document. In this case, we are going to follow HTML5 version. Now, the next tag is HTML tag. HTML tag opens the HTML document. No markup should come after the closing tag HTML. It indicates the markup language that is being used for the document. The next tag is head tag. The head tag contains the information about the web page. It surrounds all the special behind the scene elements of a web document. Most of these elements do not get displayed directly on the web page. The next tag is body tag. The body tag opens the part of document displayed to users. That is, it includes all the visible and audible content of the page. No content should be added after the closing body tag. Only the content inside the body section is displayed in the browser. Another one tag we are going to use is title tag. The title tag defines what text will shown in the web browser's title bar. Every web document must include one and only one instance of doctype, HTML, head, body and title tag. Now let us discuss the steps to write HTML code. HTML files can be created by using any text editor. You can use Notepad, Notepad++ for Windows system, or you can use gedit for Linux operating system. Once open, you have to write the HTML code. The file must be saved with a extension .html or .htm in order to recognized as a HTML file. Once created, you can open the saved file using any web browser available on your system. Now, let us have the first HTML program. As I have already discussed the structure of HTML, it is started with document type declaration. Here, we are using doctype tag to represent the document type. Here, the document type is HTML. Now, HTML document always start with HTML tag. Now, HTML document is divided into two main sections. First section is head section, which start with the head tag and end with the closing head tag. And second section is body section, which starts with the body tag and end with the closing body tag. Now you can type the code in between these two sections. The first head section includes the information related to web pages, and body section it contains the information which you want to display on the web browser window. The head section consists of one main tag known as title tag. The content which goes between the opening and closing title tag will be displayed on the tab of the page or in the title bar of the browser. Here I want to provide title as Introduction to HTML. So I will be going to provide content Introduction to HTML here in the title tag. Under body section, I want to create one heading as Basics of HTML. So for that I will be going to use one tag which is called as a h1 tag. H1 tag is used to provide header to web page. Here I want to provide header as HTML basics. So the content HTML basics appears in between opening and closing h1 tag. Once completed, you can save this file. To save the file, go to File menu, then click on Save button. Choose the location where you want to save the file, then provide the file name. I want to provide the file name as first. Now save the file with HTML extension. Okay. Once saved, go to the location where the file is saved. Right click on the file, click on Open with option and choose the web browser in which you want to open the file. Here I have selected the Google Chrome as a web browser. So here Introduction to HTML title appears in the title bar and HTML basic heading appears in the web browser. Okay, whatever the changes that you want to perform, you can again open the file and make the changes here. Now I want to add another one heading to the page. Again I want to provide h1 as a heading, then the heading as a hello world, and close the h1 tag. Save the document by pressing Ctrl S button. Go to the web browser and then refresh the browser. So here again it will display the another one header as a hello world. So this is what all about how you are going to execute your first HTML program. So this is what all about the structure of HTML, then steps to write HTML code and how to write and execute the HTML programs. Thank you for watching.